Hello everyone, what do we have here? This is the Zojirushi Home Bakery Supreme. This is the #1 pick for America's test kitchen, and it breaks a 2-pound loaf of bread. 2 pounds, that's a lot of bread. So let's see how it is. Let me try and get it out of this box. A fancy opening mechanism. Actually there are these two flaps, so you probably have to bend out the way to open it. Some help around to show you how it is inside. The instruction book, and I believe this is the warranty card that came made with it. You can see you've got the 2 paddles over here. Let me take the whole contraption out. Oh, these 2 pieces come up separately. It's not 4 pieces together, so you can see the 2 paddles at the top. And we have the Breadmaker over here. And is there anything else in the box? I do not see anything else in the box, so that is it. The Home Baker Supreme. It's a decently hefty box, not quite as big as I thought it would be, judging from the pictures. You open this cover, and that's the baking pan inside. And within it are a couple of items. We have the measuring cup, and we have a small nest in here that has the DVD. Do you have a DVD player? I think those are running out of fashion these days. Even on your laptops, they're not coming with DVDs these days. Alright, we put that aside. The bread pan itself. So let me try to pull it out. Now, this is not quite as big as I thought it would be. I thought it would be massive. Maybe this is something I can manage with. So okay, let's take this out. You can see there's the heating element over here at the bottom, and the mechanisms to turn the paddles. And we come to the baking bread itself, and this one is about 5 inches across, close, just under 9 inches long, and I'd say it's about 4.5 inches deep. Now, one of the things I was fearing is that this pan is going to be too big. If I wanted to cook a small quantity of bread, you know, this will be too excessive, but maybe with an adjustment to the recipe quantities, I might be able to get smaller loaves that will suit me for just when I need them. Okay, let's put this back. And then the paddles themselves. Okay, the paddles slot into these shafts over here, and you can put them either one of 2 ways, so it's 180 degrees, so pointing one way or the other. And if we look underneath, you can see the keys where these arms engage to the machine below. That's this side, that's the back, that's the front, and that's this side with some instructions for baking basic white bread. So it's always at hand, and this is the bottom over here, some venting holes, and we have a window over here, control interface over here. You can get the dimensions of the machine online, but if you wanted some quick measurements, it's about 8.5 inches deep and 17 inches wide and I'd say about 12 inches tall. You can check the exact dimensions online. I should mention that there are these hinges over here, so when you measure them with the hinges, it's probably about 9.5 inches. 9.5 inches, I'd estimate. So there you have it, the Zojirushi Home Baker Supreme.